Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing good. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. This usually happens when you just signed up on the platform and then you'd be trying to send messages to random people in a very short time. People that you don't know, people that are not saved in your contacts list. I'm gonna show you the way you can fix it in just a few minutes. So when you reach for your phone and then you navigate to your WhatsApp, you're going to find that it says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. At the bottom it says request a review. Here at the top it says something else. Register a new number. You don't need that. It says WhatsApp support will review your account. You don't need all this. Okay? This is not going to help you in any way. I'm just going to show you the method that you can use to get your WhatsApp back and working normally. Okay, just close your WhatsApp. Then you go back to home screen. And then you want to look for any browser on your phone. In my case, I'm using Chrome Canary. So I'm going to open this. And then in the URL section, I enter whatsapp.com/contact. And then you can enter. Here you have a few options. And then you want to select contact us at the top. So you click on that. And then it's going to take you to this page where you have to enter your phone number, the number that you've been using in your WhatsApp. Then you need to enter your email as well. So you enter your number and your email address. If you're done, then you need to write a few. Here, in this box, you need to write the reason why you think your WhatsApp is banned and why you think it should be restored. I'm just gonna type, hi there, my number has randomly been banned from using WhatsApp. And I need help. You can type anything here as long as you're pointing out that your number has been banned and you don't know why or you need help. So you click next step. And this next page, you're going to see many things here. A few articles saying, let me see, a few articles saying whatever. I'm telling you, you don't need any of these articles. Quite a few, but you don't need any of these. So you just want to go ahead and click send question at the bottom. And then you're done. In a few moments, you're going to receive an email from WhatsApp telling you they received your query, and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Nothing you need to do here. You can close your browser. And then a few minutes later, when you receive your email, you're going to find that if your account has been restored, they're going to send you a message saying this account has been restored. And then you can open your WhatsApp, enter your number again, and then you can use it normally. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.